Good morning from Atlantic Sunset. I just thought I'd take you a quick walk through the hotel. It's sort of built into the hillside, and we've got 3 building blocks and 4 swimming pools. So just before we go down, this is Mike's coffee bar there, coffee shop, and on this side we have the buffet restaurant, Central Market with the alfresco area. So coming down steps, first we have the splash pool. And by the splash pool is also the Daisy Club for the Children's Club over here. And that's Paraiso building. So it's not switched on yet, but when it is, there's lots of water with a tipping bucket on the top. And it's currently just gone 9 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see, there are no towels reserving sunbeds. So you've got a family pool and the splash pool in this area. They're both freshwater, and you have, as you can hear, music playing, but a low volume, just enough. And in front of us, you'll just see the swim-up ring starting to come into view. And this building is El Beso, the Kiss. On this level, we have the Circle snack bar, and in an evening this becomes Route 66, just for 2 hours, which is an a la carte, kind of American themed restaurant, as you might guess by the name. So this is what's classed as the main pool. It's saltwater. If I get up onto the bridge, you'll be able to see the swim up rooms again. And this is the pool that has the chairlift. Anyone needing extra mobility help. Okay, so get a quick little peek at the swim up rooms there, and they can swim under the bridge into the main pool here. I can't show you the 4th pool at the moment because that's up on the rooftop there. That's for the privilege area. It's an infinity freshwater pool. It currently opens at 10 o'clock, so we can't take you in there this morning. But we will finish with the what's recommended as an adults only pool area. So it's quieter, it's right down on the front, and it's salt water. Look at the gardens in the meantime. You've got the 2 a la carte restaurants, Sakura and Stromboli. Stromboli is Italian, Sakura teppanyaki. So another infinity pool. Again, look, no sunbeds reserved, and it's recommended for adults only, not to say there aren't children. And there you go, walk through Atlantic Sunset.